It's a good food anyways. Um, um, wait. Um, yeah, can I get... I'm getting blur. Wait, did I get blur? Can I get a, chicken nuggets? Okay. Oh, thanks. Oh, no eating. Hmm. The food is great. Let's pull our laptop out and let's see how these storms are doing. So this is my laptop. No storms. Still tasty and crunchy. Hmm. There's no big storm, so you can just eat for a little because I'm eating. Hmm. 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 Mm. Alright, the chicken nuggets are up. Here's the board and let's get driving, I think. Let's just drive around. Need to buy probes, maybe. Let's go to my garage. Let's buy some probes. Some of the turn signals doesn't work on this vehicle so good. It glitches out. Um, let's buy some probes. Alright, here is the probe store. Let's get this bad boy. And oh, we have a storm exploding. Let's go to Prior, I think, and let's get to driving. Um, I brought some chicken nuggets on the way, so we have some food because we have a storm. Yeah, it looks great. It looks actually pretty great. The storm. Let's pull out my laptop. Oh yeah, we have a hook ready. We'll see a tornado soon. Let's eat the chicken nuggets. Hmm. We have other driver. Yeah, I'm not the only one chasing today. Let's pull over. Let's get my monitors. We have good risk. Um, let's wait here and let's see what we got. Um, oh look, we have Div 2. Div 2. Hmm. Still doing fine this storm. Let's if we move north to the Almore, too close to Almore, I think. Oh, we have a chase going on. That's, I think, oh look, we have a road forming already. Oh, follow. Let's get where the two thieves are. And let's got a stroke on my chicken nugget right here. Oh, that. Oh, and that looks pretty good. Hmm. Think it will drop down any moment. Oh, tornado warning. Tornado emergency. It will
National
drop
Weather
down.
Service in Hazelton has issued a tornado warning for
Tornado
County in
warning.
north central Minnesota, Beltrami County in north central
It doesn't
Minnesota.
want to drop.
National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado near Almora, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Locations impacted include
It's almost right above us.
Almora. The safest place to be during a tornado is in a basement. Get under a workbench or other piece of sturdy furniture. If no basement is available, seek shelter on the lowest floor of the building in an interior hallway or room such as...
Let's drop low. Go. Go. Need to move.
Find a substantial shelter. If no shelter is available, lie flat in the nearest ditch or other low spot and cover your head with your hands.
Alright.
In addition, trained weather spotters have reported a funnel cloud with this storm.
Oh, it's dropping. Hope we are not too close. It's dropping soon. Yeah, it's on the ground. Eat an egg, chicken nugget. They don't probe it. 67 miles per hour on my laptop right here on the probe. That was a good intercept. Oh. Ah, there you go. Oh, it died, I think. Did it?
The National Weather Service in Hazleton has issued a tornado warning for Medina County, north central Kisota. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado near Almora. Moving
Come on.
northeast at 60 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Cherokee Village.
Rotation is still
The
here.
safest place to be during a tornado is in a basement. Get under a workbench or other piece of sturdy furniture. If no basement is available, seek shelter on the lowest floor of the building in an interior hallway or room such as a closet. Use blankets or pillows to cover your body, and always stay away from windows. If in mobile homes or vehicles, evacuate them and get inside a substantial shelter. If no shelter is available, lie flat in the nearest ditch or other low spot and cover your head with your
Oh
hands.
wow.
In addition, trained weather spotters have reported a funnel cloud with this storm. Heavy
Maybe like
rainfall may hide this
chicken
tornado,
nugget in my
making
car.
it extremely difficult to see. Do not wait to
Would not
see or
even
hear
do
the
that.
tornado. Take cover now.
Let's pull over. Yeah, look at that funnel cloud. It's massive. Oh, funnel. I have a funnel. It's just dropping again. There we have two. Let's get moving. Let's look on my laptop. Oh, it's moving north. Going north. Let's get to north
National
and
Weather
let's see
Service
if we
in
can
Hazleton
get
has
a
issued
rocket
a tornado
intercept
warning
right on.
for Medina County, north central Kisota. National Weather Service
Oh,
Doppler
he
radar
will
indicated
die.
a severe thunderstorm capable of producing
Yeah,
a tornado near Cherokee Village. Moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Cherokee Village, Jamel.
Let's try to intercept on
The
this
safest
road.
place to be during
It's a
tornado is
dangerous
in a
road,
basement.
but
Get
maybe
under a
we can
workbench
get
or other
one.
piece of sturdy furniture. If no basement is available, seek shelter on the lowest floor of the building in an interior hallway or room such as a closet. Use blankets
Let's
or
get the
pillows to
shortcut
cover your
because
body
this
and always
tornado
stay
is
away from windows. If in
dropping.
mobile homes or vehicles, evacuate them and get inside a substantial shelter. If no shelter is available, lie
Okay,
flat
drop
in the
ropes,
nearest
drop
ditch or
ropes,
other-
drop ropes. Dropping ropes, rope deployed. Let's get out of here.
Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now.
Alright, we got probe intercept going on. Let's use this road and let's a other probe intercept on this tornado. It looks like his 2 is dying too much. But maybe we got an intercept on that one. Yeah, it got like a lift again. Ah, damn it. You did a great intercept on that tornado. Let's use this dirt road maybe for a advantage for beat the front. Doesn't look like it's doing too great. Oh, I feel. Oh, they've. Let's see what they'll look on the my laptop. What the rating on the probe was. 55. How is that 55? Ah, damn it! You have 0. You don't have success tornadoes. I think it's dying. And go over. Wait, it's. Oh. It's dropping. Get the probes out. Get the probes out. Probes down. It's dropping. On my head. I don't see it. Get the probe back in the truck. It wanted to drop, but can't. It's a big rotation as well. They're driving on the wrong side of the road because I need my probe. And get my probe. Oh, look at that rotation. That's big. We'll be in a small tornado. We have a 2 gradics with intercepts on the probes. Let's get the tailgate down. Let's get the heavy probe in. One-handed. There we go. Yeah, rotation guide. Let's get to our shop. Oh wait, look at that. We have another tornado. Oh no. Oh, that's a great success, but this will be a long video again. Oh yeah, that's massive. That's a wedge. That's a wedge tornado. Oh no. We need to get in an intercept right now. Don't care if it's in a long recording of my storage of my camera and the truck and on my GoPro. It dies. Why does it die every time and comes back? Don't get it. Maybe because of the cave. It is maybe.
If no basement is available, seek shelter on the lowest floor of the building in an interior hallway or room such as a closet. Use blankets or pillows to cover your body, and always stay away from windows.
It's trying to drop down. See dust particles. But look at this rotation. This is the biggest rotation.
In addition, trained weather spotters have reported a funnel cloud with this storm. Heavy rainfall may halt this tornado today.
It's dropping. It's dropping. No, it's moving my direction. Let's get my it's moving my direction. Oh wow, that's big. Let's get probe intercept. Give probe intercept right now. This tornado. Oh, this is heavy. Yeah, forget about the tailgate. We need to go as fast as possible. This tornado is weak. Let's go. Let's go. Forget about the tailgate. We need to move. Oh, that was scary. Oh almost got lofted there. Let's get our pro. What did our pro get? Oh, 71. 71 1. That's the first tornado that has ever caught most high wind speeds. Oh, this is a. Now it's a good tornado. Now it's
The
a
National Weather Service in Hazelton has issued a tornado warning for Medina County
Oh,
in
no.
north central Kisota.
If that
National
wind
Weather
speeds.
Service Doppler radar.
But it. Oh, there's my probe. Just ran it over. Let's get let's check my
The lowest floor of the building
that's dying.
is blankets or pillows to cover your body, and always stay away from windows. If in mobile homes or vehicles, evacuate them and get inside a substantial shelter. If no shelter is available, lie flat in the nearest ditch or other low spot and cover your head with your hands.
Why
Heavy
does this
rainfall may
engine
hide this
keep
tornado,
sounding?
making it extremely difficult to see. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado.
What is
Take
wrong?
cover now.
Oh no. Let's get to our garage and let's repair what's wrong with this vehicle. Let's keep. Oh, maybe it's a battery. That's it's the lights are going out. Oh no. Oh. Oh no. Let's pull over. Okay. Let's pull over. And the car got died. God damn it. Let me get my phone out. Let's send a message to maybe, yeah, I need help. Yeah, this is, yeah, what is wrong with this? Let's try to fix, yeah, engine needs repair. Yeah. Oh, engine broke down. Let's go to our tailgates. Oh, why this time? Yeah, this, yeah. Oh, hey, to be driving normally. Be normal. Oh, wow, the tornado. Oh no. That's a Hazel right now. I can't go. Oh no, Hazel is getting hit. Oh no. Come on, let's jumpstart it. Nah, it doesn't work. We broke down for serious? Oh, now it started. Yes, we got it. We jump started it. Alright. Oh no,
wait. The National Weather Service in Hazelton has issued a
tornado right again.
Medina County in north central Kisota. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado near Halsnoid. Moving northeast.
Yeah, our car died. I want to start it, but it doesn't work. Yeah, maybe the end of this video. We'll maybe get a new car or some sort to check. Holy moly. Let's deploy the drone. Yeah. And then broke down. Um, I see all of you in the next video. Bye.